In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Forza Horizon 5 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, go ahead and click on the search box. You can then type in Forza Horizon 5 to begin your search, and once you find the game, just click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Now scroll down and you will see the Add to Cart button, alongside various different bundles or editions. You can click on whichever version or bundle you wish to buy, and once it is added to your cart, click on View My Cart in order to continue towards your payment. Click on Continue, and now you can use your Steam Wallet balance or any one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. Just choose one and then enter your credentials. Type in your billing information as well, and save it if you need to use it for later. Once you complete your transaction with the Continue button, the game will be added to your library. And from your library, you can choose your install location to start the download and installation. Once it is done, you may start enjoying the Forza Horizon 5 game on your device. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install Forza Horizon 5. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.